traders, and Mr. Donald Trump has just finished speaking about the Iran deal, so let's just have a look at the daily and the hourly. You can see oil is naturally very volatile. Iran, I can't remember the statistics, I think it could be as much as 5% of world production could inevitably come from Iran, so it's quite significant. So we saw a push into 70-30 area, and we're just seeing some selling as we come out of that as press conference and just the markets digest that news. So yeah, obviously avoid oil because that's very volatile and we're not sure where that's going to go. Gold, I'm looking for this gold to squirt higher and all this anxiety and confusion out there at the moment with the Iran deal and direction of the market. This is a big box play, and we're quite close to the bottom of the box, just trying to come off this 200-day average. Whenever a market gets between the 200 and the 50-day average, it tends to get very choppy, and this is no exception. Pull back to the 200 is getting bought at the moment, so if we see a decent close, let's try and get 13.10 tomorrow. Quick look at the pound. Not going to spend too much time going through a whole lot of detail, but this pound US dollar, obviously Bank of England rate decision on Thursday, and expectations have come off for a rate rise. But what's the market doing? Forget what the expectations are. What's the market doing? The market is trying to hold with a potential for a bearish consolidation. So any push into 13650 area, 137 could see that then drop back to 133 area. There's no buy signal, there's no clear direction at all, there's no buy signal and no sell signal at the moment, apart from the fact we look as if we're going to get a lower close. So if this is a consolidation where we're going to move sideways, then selling to any highs is my message, and sort of the thing that I would suggest. DAX, you can see on this hourly chart, we came into last week's high at 844 and held. We talked about that yesterday. We're sitting just around the 900 mark, so it's a little. It looks like we're getting a lower close, so we need to be careful of that one. If we come back tomorrow and retest that 800, 850 and get bought, obviously we need to get long. But we are shuffling sideways at the moment, and the Dow. Again, very similar to the DAX, so a lot of shuffling. You can see from this hourly chart with a potential sell signal here at 5 o'clock, and we're just struggling to hold up here now. So if we break 250, we could see this drop quite hard, or at least back to 23,950. So a lot of chop and slop so far this week. Volumes are very light, not a lot of data around, so we are seeing the highs selling in some of these key markets. Alright, hope that helps. See you in the room tomorrow.